Good morning, class. Hope you all are doing well. Student, we are learning chapter 6, rocks and minerals. So today's topic is metamorphic rock and minerals. So first of all, I will revise the previous lecture, then I will start today's lecture. So what we have learned in previous lecture, we have learned about rock. What are rock? Rock are made up of some substances known as minerals. So all the rocks are made up of some substances, and that substances are known as minerals. Most rock are usually made up of more than one or more minerals. Rock are of different kinds and having different colors. So three types of rocks are there. First, igneous rock. Second, sedimentary rock. And third, metamorphic rock. Igneous rock. Igneous rock is made from magma, also known as lava. When that magma reaches the earth's surface, that is known as lava, and when this lava cools down, it becomes solid, and that solid is known as igneous rock. So igneous rock contains some minerals like quartz, mica, feldspar, and magnesium. Then granite. Granite is also a igneous rock. Granite. It is very hard igneous rock that is formed by slow cooling of magma underground. When magma is cooling very slowly under the ground, that magma will convert it into granite. Granite. And granite is used for making building, flooring, statue. Next igneous rock is obsidian. Obsidian. It is a smooth and look almost like black glass. It is formed by cooling of lava above the ground. When lava is cooled above the ground, then obsidian rock will form. It is used to make jewelry and ornaments. The third igneous rock is pumice. It is a light gray or cream colored rock formed by quick cooling of lava. When lava is cooled down very quickly, very fast, then pumice will form. Pumice will form. It is used in cosmetic industries, construction material. It is also used as a scrubber to remove dead skin from the body. Next is basalt. It is also igneous rock. It's dark colored rock formed by cooling of lava in the surface of the earth. In the surface of earth. It is usually used in construction of road. So we are using a stone while constructing roads, and that stone is basalt. The second type of rock is sedimentary rocks. We have discussed about sedimentary rock. When rain, winds, river, stream flowing down the mountain, they carry small pieces of rock which get powdered as they rub and bump against each other. These small bits and powder rocks are carried down and deposited at the bottom of lake, ocean, river. These are called sediments. And rock formed by these sediments are known as sedimentary rocks. So example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, shale, conglomerate, and limestone. So what is sandstone? It is a soft rock formed by sand particle cemented together with minerals like silica and quartz. Next is shale. It is a soft rock made up of mud and clay, particles piled up in layers. It is used to make tiles, bricks, etc. Conglomerate. It is a very hard rock made up of gravels, pebbles, and stones cemented together by minerals. It is used for polishing ornaments. Next is limestone. Limestone is also a sedimentary rock. It is a soft rock. It is made up of mineral called calcite and cells of animals. It is used to make bricks, cement, chalk, glass, lime, etc. So student, these are igneous rock and sedimentary rock. So now let's start metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock. So today's topic is metamorphic rock. Due to enormous heat and pressure under the surface of Earth, as we know, there is a very high temperature below the Earth's surface. And at the center of Earth, known as core of the Earth, all the substances are in liquid form. The hardest rock is also found in molten state, in a liquid state, in the center of Earth, also known as in core. And that liquid or molten rocks are known as magma. Magma, as we have discussed in igneous rocks. So below the Earth's surface, there is a high temperature and high pressure. So due to enormous, very large in size, very large heat and very large pressure under the surface of Earth, mineral presence in sedimentary and igneous rock, minerals present in sedimentary and igneous rock undergoes changes. So igneous rock and sedimentary rock undergoes some changes due to very high temperature and very high pressure under the Earth's surface. In other words, they metamorph or change into other forms. Igneous rock and sedimentary rock changes into another form by very high heat and pressure. The new rocks thus formed are called metamorphic rocks. So student, metamorphic rocks are, it can be igneous rock, it can be metamorphic rock, sedimentary rocks. But when very high temperature and very high pressure is applied on igneous and sedimentary rock, they will convert it into some another rocks. They will convert it into some another rocks, and that rocks are known as metamorphic rock. So metamorphic rock is another form of igneous rock and sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rock and igneous rock converted into metamorphic rock when very high pressure and very high temperature is applied on it. Okay, student. So some example of metamorphic rocks are marble, slate, quartzite, and gneiss. G is silent. Gneiss. Gneiss. G is silent here. Gneiss. Which these described below. These are described below. So first metamorphic rock is marble. What is marble? It is a metamorphed sedimentary rock from the limestone. So marble is made from sedimentary rock, limestone. We have discussed about limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock. When very high temperature and pressure is applied on limestone, which is a sedimentary rock, that will convert it into metamorphic rock. And that metamorphic rock is known as marble. So student, marble is made from sedimentary rock known as limestone. Marble is made from limestone when very high temperature and very high pressure is applied. It is commonly used for flooring to make statue and building. हम अपने घरों पे देखते हैं तो मार्बल के फर्श हैं, तो वो जो मार्बल यूज हुआ है फर्श, हमारा जो फ्लोरिंग के अंदर बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन में स्टेच्यू में, वो कौन सा है? वो मार्बल है। एंड दैट इज ए मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक। मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम limestone, and limestone is a sedimentary rock. Okay, the Taj Mahal in India is a fine example of the use of white marble. Taj Mahal in India is a fine example of the use of white marble. White marble is used in the manufacturing, in the making of Taj Mahal, by construction of Taj Mahal. This is marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock. Next is slate. What is slate? Slate is a sedimentary rock. Shale, a sedimentary rock is metamorphosed into slate. We have discussed about shale. Shale is a sedimentary rock. It is converted into slate. Slate is converted into slate. That is also metamorphosis. Metamorphosed. So it is also a metamorphic rock. It is a hard and smooth rock which can be split into layers. This slate can be split into layers, different layers. It is used to make slates, tiles, blackboards. So student, in our classroom, we are using blackboard that is made up of a rock, and that rock is known as a slate. Slate. That slate is a metamorphic rock. And from where it is formed? It is formed from a sedimentary rock known as slate. So slate is formed from slate. It is a hard and smooth rock which can be split into layers. It is used to make slate, tiles, and blackboard, etc. The third type of metamorphic rock is quartzite. Quartzite. It is formed from sedimentary rock called sandstone. Sandstone. So when sandstone is placed under high temperature and high pressure, that will be converted into quartzite. Quartzite. It is a very hard rock. It is a very hard rock and is weather resistant. Weather resistant means there is no effect of wind, water, high temperature, rain on that rock. Quartzite. It is used in a glass and ceramic industry, and it is also used in making jewelry and ornament. Jewelry and ornament are made by quartzite. Fashionable jewelry, fashionable ornaments are made from quartzite. It is very hard and water resistant, weather resistant. It is used in glass and ceramic industry. It is also used in making jewelry and ornament. So student, how quartzite is formed? It is formed from a sedimentary rock called sandstone. So from sandstone, quartzite is formed. And where the quartzite is used, it is used in glass industry, ceramic industries. It is also used in making jewelry and ornaments. Next metamorphic rock is gneiss. Student, look at the spelling of gneiss, Gneis. Gneiss, G is silent here. Gneiss. Granite is a kind of igneous rock. Yes, granite. We have discussed about granite when we are learning igneous rock. So what type of rock granite is? It is a igneous rock. Changes to form gneiss. So gneiss is formed from a igneous rock, granite. So it is formed from granite. Granite is a igneous rock, but gneiss is metamorphic rock. Means granite changes to form gneiss. It has a stripped or streak appearance due to the presence of different mineral in it. It has a strip or streaked appearance due to the presence of different mineral in it. So gneiss is having a different color layer of different color. And why there is a layer of different color? Because it is having different minerals of different mineral in it. It is used as a building material. It is used as a building material. So we used gneiss in construction work as a building material. So student, this is metamorphic rocks. So I'm going to revise this metamorphic rock again. And you have to do this time to answer. One more. Yes. So listen carefully. I'm revising today's topic again. Metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock are made from either from igneous rock or from sedimentary rock. They are formed from igneous and sedimentary rock. But how they form? Due to high temperature and high pressure under the surface of earth. Under the surface of earth. Mineral present in sedimentary rock and igneous rock will change. Will change. And metamorphic rock will form. Metamorphic rock will form. So metamorphic rocks are formed from either from igneous rock or from sedimentary rock when high pressure, high temperature is applied on them. So what is the first type of metamorphic rock? The first type is marble. It is a metamorph sedimentary rock. So marble is made from limestone. When limestone is placed under high temperature, high pressure, limestone will changes into marble. And what type of rock is marble limestone? It is a sedimentary rock. So marble is made from sedimentary rock, from limestone. It is used for flooring, to make statue and buildings. Second type of metamorphic rock is slate. Slate जो ब्लैक बोर्ड हम यूज करते हैं, ग्रीन बोर्ड क्लासरूम के अंदर, that is made from slate. And slate is made from shale. Shale is a sedimentary rock. So from shale, slate is formed. It is hard and smooth rock. It is used to make slates, tiles, blackboard, etc. Quartzite. It is a formed from sedimentary rock called sandstone. So quartzite is made from sandstone. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock. It is very hard rock and is weather resistant. It is used in glass and ceramic industries. It is also used in making jewelry and ornaments. Jewelry and ornaments. Next metamorphic rock is gneiss. G is silent here. यहाँ पे जो G है वो silent रहेगा. Gneiss नहीं बोलेंगे इसको, gneiss कहेंगे. Gneiss. G is silent. Granite, a kind of igneous rock, changes to form gneiss. So gneiss is formed from igneous rock, and from which rock? Granite. So gneiss is made from granite. Granite changes into gneiss. It has a stripped or streaked appearance due to the presence of different minerals. It is used as a building material. So student, these are the topic for today. If you are having any doubt, you may ask your question one by one. Akash sir, allow the student so that they can ask their doubts.